the door of the wastebasket kit until it's completely extended. Remove the trash cans from the cabinet. Carefully remove the silver basket mount hardware by sliding it into the cabinet until it comes off the glide hardware, and then remove from the cabinet. Remove the piston pin from the slide hardware by using your index finger to pop it off and slide off the piston end. Then set the pin aside in a safe place. Detach the piston off the bottom bracket. On the left glide, push the black release lever up, and on the right glide, push the lever down to release the garbage can tray from the glide hardware. Remove the kit hardware from the cabinet. Remove the black screws from the floor bracket. Remove the floor glide bracket hardware from the cabinet. Place the replacement glide hardware in the bottom inside of the cabinet. If possible, line up the screw holes with the current holes on the floor of the cabinet and reattach the screws. For 15 and 18-inch wide cabinets, align the hardware evenly on each side with approximately 1 5/8 inches of clearance. For the 21-inch wide cabinet, align the hardware evenly with 3 1/8 inches of clearance on each side. This measurement is 1/8 inch less per side with integrated end panels. Slide the garbage can tray hardware approximately 1/4 of the way back into the glide hardware so the glide assembly takes hold. Reattach the piston to the floor of the hardware and reinsert the pin by sliding into the silver end on the left and then sliding it up over the ball of the end to lock into place. Push the kit into the cabinet completely so the glide hardware fully locks into place. Slide the silver basket mount hardware back into place. Reinstall the trash cans. Thank you for watching this Showplace how-to video.